extremely slippery here. I have to hold on. Best place to film in the bus shelter right now. It is crazy out here. The winds are tremendous. It's turning into a blizzard. The wind out here is insane. Look at the... I only walked 2 blocks and I'm absolutely caked with snow. Wow, crazy. Crazy scenes. Winds are unbelievable. Look at this. Whoa, man, it sounds so creepy. Whoa, it's really getting windy. Absolutely roaring gusts out here, guys. These snow-nadoes city around here. Look at this. Whoa. Wow. Whoa, man. Look at this. Snow-nado city right here. Holy. Look at this. Want to walk right into a tornado? Free tornadoes all day over here. Wow, look at this. Whoa, man. That's big. Nice gust. That is a strong one. Making kind of a roaring noise, and that usually isn't evident that a big wave is about to hit. See if this will even focus. Here it comes. It's a whiteout down the street. Right on here.